I'm in Chicago right now. I had to create some Eid content, so that's why I'm in a shalwar kameez. I'm gonna do my sister's makeup today, and I'm gonna show a little behind the scenes snippets on here too.
So Amna is gonna do my makeup. I don't have anything on, and we're not gonna put a filter on, just so we can keep it real.
So I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream on her. She has never used it, right?
Nope.
So we're gonna see how she likes this. Oh, so I'm gonna use this peachy concealer first, just to hide her dark circles. And this would be the concealer underneath, and then I'm gonna put here you can see the difference between the two eyes. It instantly brightens your eye area. I'm gonna do this Estee Lauder full coverage foundation in the shade Fawn. This has worked for me for the last like 15 plus years, and this is one of the best foundations ever. Then I usually spray a little Urban Decay All-Nighter spray on my foundation brush, and then use that. And here it goes.
I love this foundation because my skin just looks flawless. This is with like no filter whatsoever.
Okay, now I'm going to use these e.l.f. concealers, two different shades. This one like closer to the tear duct, and then this one just the rest of it. These are the best concealers and only $6. So here I'm using the lighter shade really close to the tear duct area where there's most darkness, and right towards the edge to give it a little bit more lift. I also use it around the mouth because there's always a little bit of darkness there, and also lifts the area. Plus, of course, the highlight area for the bridge of the nose. Instead of using a beauty sponge, I like to use a foundation brush which is very dense, and I use it to spread the concealer all around. Instead of a back and forth motion, I usually do the dabbing, and which spreads the concealer much more consistently. This Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, I mean, you can see how much I use this. This is literally on its last breath, but I have to use this every single time I need to put on any foundation on the eye or eyeshadow on the eyes. So now I'm gonna use this MAC bronzer, which again is on its last breath, but I've used like literally every ounce of this, and I'm just gonna bronze her lightly across the forehead and a little bit on the cheek area. And blend, blend, blend. I'm obsessing with this Pixie blush lately, and this literally blends super easy. All you do is just a little bit, and I usually try to layer this with a powder blush as well, just to so it lasts all day. Well, just look at this pretty blush. Again, this is all no filter with just the direct sunlight. We're doing our favorite eyeliner, Samreen's Vanity Hawk's Bay. This is like literally my favorite because it blends like a dream.
So good.
So I take the chocolate brown eyeliner and just very roughly line around her eyes, giving it a little bit of a wing towards the end. This is all going to be blended out, so you don't really need to be too neat with this step. Short strokes around the eyelid makes it so much easier to get that consistent line and the thickness that you want. Here I'm using a small stiff brush, and I dipped it in chocolate brown eyeshadow. You can use either metallic or matte, and then just blend out the eyeliner that you put down. I build up the intensity for this, so you dip it very slowly, wipe off the excess, and again go over the eyeliner maybe 3-4 times. You know, work your way. If you want a little bit more intensity towards the end, give it any shape. This is where you're gonna do it, but again, take your time with this. Here you can see the shape crafted out, and you can make it darker if you want. I finished the rest of the look off of camera, and here's the final result. This is again no filter. This look can be used for a night out if you want to add some lashes to it, or if you just want to throw on some lip gloss, could be used as an everyday look. Let me know what you think.